In this part we continue the work, and now I show you how to join two motifs together. As you can see, two motifs. The first one is completed motif, and this is my current motif. I didn't finish it. I need to crochet the last side of my hexagon motif, and while making this side I show you how to join two motifs together. For the joining, I took their backs together. The current motif is closer to me. I will begin from the corner. I did a chain in my current motif. And in this chain space, I insert the hook into the middle chain stitch, make single crochet, chain, continue working on the current motif. Make 2 double crochet into the same chain space, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, 3. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take my completed motif. Let's look at the completed motif. I will count from this chain space. I need to look in for the 5th chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I insert the hook into the 5th stitch. Take the working loop, pull it through. The joining point is ready. Make double crochet into the next chain space. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. The 3rd joining point is done. Make 2 double crochet more into the same chain space, 1, 2. Make double crochet twice into the next chain space, 1, 2, chain, and let's make the last joining point. It is going to be the joining in the corner. Now insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch, make single crochet, then chain more, and double crochet twice into the same chain space, 1 and 2. Work with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain stitch in the beginning of this round. The joining points are done. Here how my motifs look like. Let's repeat again. I begin from the corner, continue with the stitches, and to complete the work in the corner. Now I show you how to join my current motif to another two. For the joining, I didn't complete my current motif. I just need to crochet 2 more sides, first one and the second one. Firstly, I'm going to work with top motif, and then I will join to the side motif. And all three motifs have the middle joining point. This is the middle joining point. Now I took their backs together for my joining. Firstly, as I said before, I will join to the top motif. In my current motif I did the chain, and now make a single crochet into the second chain stitch of the chain space. Chain, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, make 3 double crochet into the next chain space. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take my top motif. Let's count the 5th stitch from the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the 5th stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. The second joining point is done. Make 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch that is in completed motif. Take the working loop, pull it through. Continue working on my current motif. Make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. Make 2 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, chain. Now I show you how to crochet the middle joining point. This is my joining point. My second motif was joined to the first one at this chain. Now insert the hook into this chain stitch of the chain space that is in the corner. For this I turn the work, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make single crochet. The middle joining point is done. Make a chain, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2, pull up the working loop, remove the hook. I have done the first side, and my side has 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I show you how to crochet the second side and join to the side motif. Continue. Make 3 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Pull up the working loop. Now I'm looking for the 5th stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the 5th stitch, take the working loop, pull it through. My joining is ready. Make double crochet into the next chain space, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch in this completed motif, take the working loop, pull it through, work into the same chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space, chain. Let's make the last joining point. Now insert the hook into the second chain stitch of this corner chain space, make single crochet, chain, and to complete this round, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. And to complete this round, work a slip stitch into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. My joining points are ready and the second side is done. Today we have learned how to crochet beautiful hexagon motif made of 2 colors of yarn, and also you will show how to join such motifs together in large piece of work. I remind you, my all 3 motifs have the middle joining point. The second and the third was joined to the first one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow us in social media, and crochet with me. Let's look at the back side of the swatch. Thanks for watching.